Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm not your host, Jason. Barry is currently out for the day, so I'm taking over. I'm normally behind the camera, so you don't see me. But I'm standing inside of a 2022 Alliance Paradigm 340 RL. This is the first 2022 Alliance product we have received, so we're going to check it out and see if there's any differences. Spin the camera around. Looking back through here, we can see it's a combined rear living space with a kitchen. It's a pretty nice layout for the length of the camper. And starting off, I want to look up above this slide here. We notice this Alliance logo in the trim. That is a new addition for the 2022. Spinning back around, let's check out the rear portion where the entertainment center is. Inside the entertainment center, Alliance equips their units with an LG 4K Smart TV, which is a really nice touch. Go ahead and give you a nice premium TV. You don't even have to upgrade. Moving down, we have the Fireplace down below, and the cool feature Alliance does, they have little latches down below, and this Fireplace actually pulls forward and there is storage behind it, which is really neat. Spinning around to the rear, we have a couch in the side over in the back of the camper, and this is a trifold, so it pulls out to about a full-size bed. Moving over, we see some storage next to the couch, a little hidden storage compartment, another touch from Alliance. It's really nice. Sliding over to our slide, the posing slide, we have our recliners. These are electric recliners, so just of a touch of a button, they both unfold. Really nice. And this is tied into the inverter, so if you are boondocking, these will still function. In the center, we have some pull-down cup holders, and those have USB and 110, which is a nice touch. And across from our couch, we have our dinette. Currently have all 4 chairs out. These 2 chairs here fold flat and go underneath the bed up in the bedroom. And also, this dinette is a free-floating dinette, so you get a little more leg room underneath there. Moving over to our kitchen is equipped with a Insignia residential grade stove, I guess is the word for searching for. Residential grade stove, it's full size. And we also have a Magic Chef convection microwave. One thing I found, I don't know if anybody else has noticed on these, this bottom portion is actually not trim. It's a drawer that pulls out, kind of a little hidden feature we discovered. Moving to the island, this is a solid surface countertop, really nice. We have underneath our drying rack here, this is a single basin stainless steel sink. We have a little pull-out nozzle, which is great touch as well. Moving over, we have, right when you walk in the door, this little hutch, and we also have a little countertop as well over here in more solid surface. Just above, we have a little USB outlet where you can plug your phone in and kind of dump your phone or your other stuff that needs to charge right when you walk in the door. Moving over, we have some of our controls. Here we have our inverter control and we have generator prep. Up here we have Alliance's standard switch panel, which is not a screen, which I really like. It's all manual switches, which just works. It just is easier to deal with. I like it. Moving in right inside the door, we have this nice little hanging closet. It's right when you walk in the door, you want to stow jackets or something, or store anything of that nature before you're going out. Missed it on our way over to the hutch. We have a Samsung residential fridge in this unit as well. Stepping upstairs, we have our master bath. This is a good sized bathroom for the size of this unit. Lots of space. We have a epoxy poured countertop in here, as well as a large mirror with some nice accent lighting. Have some storage for towels. We have a soft close lid on our toilet. We also have a fold down teak seat. Have a nice multi-function shower head in the shower. Let me spin the camera around. I'm 6 foot and I have plenty of headroom in here. I'm not even in the skylight. It's large shower in here. Spin the phone around. Stepping outside the bathroom, connected to the bedroom slide, we have this nice little shelved cabinet over here. You could stick odds and ends, just expanding your storage in this unit. In the bedroom, slide around back here, we have a king-size bed. It's a nice touch in this unit. We also have USB outlets and 110 outlets as well next to the bed, and we have some shelves that you could potentially put a CPAP machine or anything else you need beside your bed. Spinning around to across from the bed, We have a nice little dresser up front with some drawers. We have as well these little seats, and they actually lift up and reveal some storage underneath. Have another one of those LG smart TVs in here, as well as some hidden storage up under this flap. Up in the front cap, we have our walk-in closet. And this closet, I can even walk in even though I'm 6 foot. It's huge. And we also have washer-dryer prep in here as well. Let's go check out that pass-through storage on the outside out front. All right, guys, outside, I hope you can see it behind me. This is the 2022. It has that newer graphics package that we showed in our last rundown of one of the 2021s we had that actually came in with it. They've blacked out the logo now, which I think looks really nice. Spinning the camera back around. Come on, there we go. We have this large pass-through storage on the outside. It is huge. Let me demonstrate how big this is. I can crawl up inside of here. It is huge. I can lay down in here, do whatever I want in here. It's so big. We also have TV hookups up above, as well as some outlets as well. Guys, thank you for checking out this quick rundown on the 340RL. If you want to come see this or any other units, come visit us. We're in McDonough, Georgia, right off the highway. And until next time, happy camping.